Hello everyone and welcome to Cherub Teaching Center. So today I'm going to train you on how to fix circular reference error. This is on popular demand as a lot of students they were approaching me that in order to design a video around that this is the error that these people they have been facing once they are trying the Excel sheet. So today on their demand I'm going to train you how to fix the circular reference error. My name is Poonam and I'm a Microsoft certified educator. So my first question is, so this is how people the circular reference error it looks like, and what exactly is the circular reference error I will be training you in a short while. So let me just take you through that quickly. Now what happens is normally whenever you people are using an Excel sheet and you're applying certain formula and you want to calculate the result with the help of that formula, sometime while in order to get an answer to that formula you include that cell in between, and that's when it shows you the circular reference error. And I'm going to show you the short demo in front of you, then you will be able to understand. So let's suppose that in one cell I have the number 4 and in the next cell I have the number 5, and in the third cell I would like to calculate the sum. So I was in a hurry and accidentally what I have done is, in order to get a sum of both these number 4 and 5, I applied the formula which is sum, and then I would like to use the sum of both these numbers. So I've already created how to calculate the sum in my previous video. Towards the end of this video you will be seeing, I will attach that video as well. You can click on the I icon and you can have an access to that in case of the viewers who are watching my channel they don't know how to calculate the sum. So let's say when I'm going to calculate the sum in the third cell, what I was doing was I have clicked on the sum and now I have selected the cells, and accidentally, if you remember, what has happened is that my cell was that I wanted to calculate 4 and 5 sum, which has to be in the next, this cell which is called to be as a G10, but accidentally I included G10 in between. Now when I'm going to hit enter, this is the reference error or the circular reference error which is coming up. Now according to this circular reference error, what it is exactly trying to tell me is that while calculating the sum I have accidentally included that cell also in which the result was supposed to be. This is what this error actually means. So how should I be rectifying that error? Now one way is that you people, or you by mistake you over you that is ignore the error and you have clicked on the OK thing as well, but still if you look near to the bottom it is going to show you that there is a circular reference error in the G10, and that's the reason that my sum is not coming up accurately. So no need to worry about that. There are two ways in order to fix up this circular reference error. So and that is how you people can check it. One is, it is already telling you right near to the bottom that there is a circular reference error in G10, and this the second way is you need to go to the formulas tab and then you have to click on this error checking drop down, and then you will go to the circular reference, again this arrow option. So it is already telling you in the G10 cell that the formula is not correct. So how will I be correcting it? So what I will be doing is I'm going to apply my formula once again. So I will be doing now sum, and then I will double click on this, and now I will include only these two cells because I want to calculate the sum of 4 and 5, and then I will hit on enter. So now you can see that the circular reference error is gone. So most of the time people, when you want to check your entire Excel sheet and you are checking an error check on that, so you can apply this error checking on the entire Excel sheet as well. In any which case, if you are facing a circular reference error, that means mistakenly while applying that formula in that cell you have accidentally included the result cell also. So that is how you people are supposed to go about in order to fix up that error as well. So this was the thing that I have planned for you people, and now that is, I'm keeping this video a little bit short, and those viewers who are watching my channel and who have not subscribed to the channel yet, I would request you to please quickly go ahead, subscribe to Cherub Teaching Center. There are more things which are coming up your way altogether. So thank you very much people. Have a nice day ahead.